I'm thrilled to introduce you to my beautiful new property in the heart of Murrieta, nestled within the prestigious guard-gated community of Greer Ranch, offering a perfect blend of serenity, comfort, and luxury. Now let's take a closer look at some of its standout features. The first standout feature of this 3,200 square foot residence is its versatile layout, including not just one, but two main floor bedrooms. The second standout feature is a spacious family room that seamlessly connects to the gourmet kitchen with freshly updated white cabinets. And the last standout feature of this home is the expansive primary suite with a private balcony and views of the surrounding hills.